In the rapidly evolving digital age, social media has transformed from a mere communication tool into a powerful economic force. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of social media scripting and explore how influencers can monetize their online presence effectively. As our virtual networks grow, so too does the potential to turn influence into revenue. The journey begins with understanding the value of your influence. Followers are more than just numbers. They represent an engaged audience that trusts and values your opinion. This trust is the cornerstone of your influence, and maintaining it is crucial for any monetization strategy to succeed. A strong relationship with your audience ensures that any product or service you endorse comes from a place of honesty and authenticity. As you contemplate monetizing your influence, it is vital to identify your niche. Whether it's beauty, technology, fitness, or travel, having a clear focus helps attract brands that align with your content and values. Specializing doesn't just streamline your narrative but enhances your credibility, making you a valuable partner for collaborations. Once your niche is established, the next critical step is to develop a compelling personal brand. Your brand is more than a logo or tagline. It's your story, your voice, and the essence of what you represent on social media. This differentiation sets you apart in a crowded marketplace and gives potential partners a clear image of who you are and what you can offer. With a strong personal brand in place, attention shifts to the strategies for monetization. One of the primary methods is through sponsored content. Brands look for influencers whose style and values align with their products. Negotiating these partnerships requires a delicate balance of maintaining authenticity while delivering the brand's message. Clear communication between you and the brand ensures that your audience receives genuine recommendations without feeling commercially overwhelmed. Affiliate marketing offers another lucrative avenue. By promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral links, you maintain independence while earning revenue. Successful affiliate marketing relies heavily on your relationship with your audience, keeping the recommendations truthful and relevant to their interests. Diversifying income streams can further enhance financial sustainability. This approach might involve launching a product line, offering digital courses, or even creating exclusive content subscriptions. These ventures not only provide additional revenue, but reinforce your expertise and personal brand in your chosen niche. Now, let's consider the role of analytics in this monetization journey. Understanding your audience demographics, engagement rates, and content performance is imperative. Regularly reviewing your analytics helps refine your strategy, optimize content, and demonstrate your value to potential sponsors. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As influencers, there is an ethical dimension to consider. Transparency with your audience about monetized content is vital. Disclosing partnerships not only complies with regulations, but also builds trust with your audience, ensuring long-term engagement and loyalty. As we wrap up, it's clear that successful monetization of social media influence relies heavily on authenticity, strategic partnerships, and ethical practices. By focusing on these principles, influencers can not only generate substantial income, but also create meaningful and impactful connections with their audience. In conclusion, the world of social media scripting offers endless possibilities for those willing to invest in authenticity and ethical strategic partnerships. With the right approach, you can transform your influence into a thriving business, crafting a digital narrative that resonates and rewards. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of social media monetization, where creativity meets commerce in an ever-expanding digital landscape. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9to5.com.